Well, hello everyone. This is Gary coming to you again. Thought I'd give you an update on our situation with the solar panels. Well, the solar panel people came this morning. They finished installing the solar panels, and now we're at a dead end because right there is the problem. This house was built several years ago, and it only has 110 volts running to it. And there's where the power comes into the house, from that pole there. So, in order for the solar panels to work, we'll need 220. So we're waiting on the electric company to come and run a 220 line here into the house. And they say that probably what they're going to do is go down the pole, not connect it there. They're going to go in the ground and connect the house. So what that means is, prior to the electric company coming, we have to hire an electrical contractor to prepare everything, put in a new circuit box which will handle 220, and the electrician will then run a 220 line to the solar panel controller upstairs. And my wife is wanting a new electrical range, so he will have to run a 220 line to where the range electric stove will be installed. So we got all of that. I talked to the contractor this afternoon. I paid him 1/2 of what he said it would take to do this work, and he said that he will buy the materials tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get started on it Wednesday. So that's where we are. So let's go up and look at the installed solar panels. Okay, there we're looking at the solar panel control unit, and the 220 line will have to be run up here and connected to that. And here we have all our solar panels wired and ready to go once we get the 220 line up here. There is 10 solar panels, which is connected to that inverter right there. The inverter takes the direct current, which is generated by the solar panels, and converts it from direct current to AC, alternating current, that can be used by the house. And the controller here also keeps track of how much power we are generating, and it switches it back and forth. When the house is using everything we're generating or needs it, it will switch it to the house, and when the house is not using all of the power that's being generated, it will switch it to the grid. So we'll get a plus balance on our electric bill if we generate more than we burn. That's the plan. So we got 10 panels there, and we got 2 panels there, and we got the other solar panels, 6 here, for a total of 18 solar panels. So they're all installed, ready to go as soon as we get the wiring completed for 220. Hopefully we'll get all the wiring done this week, and then we'll have to wait on the electric company. Sometimes the electric company is slow in getting out here and doing their work. But be that as it may, hopefully we will eventually be generating our own solar power and saving money, we hope. But it's an interesting proposition. Thanks for watching. And I just want to add a disclaimer. As you can tell, I'm not an electrician, and I'm just repeating what the specialists have told me, and I hope they're right. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.